Guten Tag, liebe Deutschlernende. Hello, German learners. Welcome back to our German language journey. I hope you've been enjoying our lessons so far. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our lessons. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of the German language, sentence structure. Importance of sentence structure. Now, you might wonder why sentence structure is so crucial. Well, sentence structure determines how we convey meaning in a sentence. It's like the architectural blueprint of language. Understanding sentence structure is like having the key to unlock the door to effective communication. Basic sentence structure. Let's start with the basics. In German, a typical sentence follows a structure similar to English Subject-Verb-Object. For example, ich, Subject, I, trinke, Verb, drink, Wasser, Object, water, ich, trinke, Wasser, I drink water. Subject pronouns. We have a range of subject pronouns in German. Here are a few common ones. Ich, I, du, you. Informal. Er, he, sie, she, or, you. Formal. Es, it, wir, we, ihr, you. Plural. Sie, they, or, you. Formal. Plural. Verbs and conjugation. Verbs are the action words in a sentence. In German, verbs change their form depending on the subject. This is called verb conjugation. Let's take the verb sprechen as an example. Ich spreche. I speak. Du sprichst. You speak informal. Er. Sie. Es spricht. He, she, it speaks. Wir sprechen. We speak. Ihr sprecht. You speak, plural. Sie sprechen. They speak or you speak, formal, plural. Word order variations. German sentence structure offers flexibility. You can rearrange words for emphasis or to ask questions. For instance, du liest ein Buch. You are reading a book. Ein Buch liest du. A book you are reading. We'll explore more about this in the upcoming lessons. Conclusion. Understanding sentence structure is a key step in your German language journey. It's like learning the foundations of a beautiful house. As we progress through our lessons, you'll gain a deeper understanding of sentence structure and how to use it effectively in conversations. Vielen Dank for joining us today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson, where we'll dive even deeper into sentence structure. Bis bald!